Let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, open App Store on your device. In the search bar, search for NYT Audio. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. If it is showing update, go ahead and update the app and then open the app again and see if it is fixed. If not, launch the settings application on your device. Scroll down and tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Scroll down and find the NYT Audio option and tap on that. You will see the Offload App option. Go ahead and offload the app and reinstall it again. Offloading the app will delete the app but keep its documents and data. If it is still not fixed, go to your home screen. Tap on the NYT Audio app until you see the Delete App option. Tap on Delete App and then on Delete again. Once the app is deleted, go to the App Store and search for NYT Audio app and reinstall the app again. Your problem should have been fixed by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.